Okay, I'm out running errands today. I'm picking up some medical records on behalf of my son, so a couple doctors can see what's going on. And then I'm on my way to the Hart property to see how the contractors are doing and the progress they have made on tearing down the Hart. So that should be fun. Look forward to it.
Alrighty. Let's see what's happening. Oh goodness, they've been busy. This is the north side. They've taken all the ballrooms, the large ballrooms down. Alright. All piles of rubble. Everywhere. So I'm told they're going to sort through all of this, take the junk, and then all the concrete blocks they're just going to pulverize, grind up until they're basically dust. Seems like a massive job.